Look at this guy. Look at him. He sprawls up way above me. Oh, he's so creepy. Love it. Scary tree. So creepy. It's very, very rural. It's just really, nature is a mess. It's a little bit chaotic, Mother Nature. Chaos. Organized chaos. Well, I gotta say, my foot's pretty sore. I'm not even back on my road yet. I went a little farther than I thought I would. And I didn't see much of anything. Walk in the woods was much more exciting yesterday, I think, than walking down this road. And I get home, I'm running out of booze. It's my last night here. So I'm gonna have a nice cold beer when I get back because I'm sweaty. It's hot. It's like 28 degrees here today and it's only May 12th, I think. May 12th. So hot. And cold beer. And we'll see what time it is. Maybe I'm gonna make baked potato on the barbecue tonight. I have some leftover bacon. And I also have some my brain's not working. I have tzatziki with carrots and a cucumber that I could cut up for some fresh veg. And I haven't eaten any fruit since I've been here, which is terrible. I do have 2 old bananas that I'm probably too old to eat now, and a whole thing of strawberries that I should try to get into. I got strawberries and yogurt and granola. I could do some strawberries right now. I tell you, I need some liquids, need some hydration. I don't have a lot of water left there. Maybe 2 liters. But I won't worry about that. If I don't have water in the morning, I'm gonna leave anyway, so not a big whoop. Just might not be able to wash my face. But there's always baby wipes for those things. There's a cool tree in there too. I don't know if you can see it very well through the lens. It's back in there. Yeah, you can't see it so well. It's behind those skinny ones. It's got a gazillion trunks. I love that wild forest. Love that wild forest. I love the chaos. This is my new phone. So I'm getting used to this new camera. I don't like taking photos that much anymore. I prefer to take a video. Even if it's just of a tree. I don't know why. You just capture it better for some reason. I don't know. Maybe I just want to be able to talk. So I like a video so I can talk. Though I don't always talk in my videos. It's a new thing. Wish I could see a moose or a deer. It's probably, I don't know what, it's probably not the good time of day for that. If it's later, maybe. See that? I see a stop sign up there. That's my turn. Means I'm almost home. Almost back to home base. Look at that. Blue skies smiling at me. Nothing but blue skies.